Adding income in YNAB budget involves recording any money you receive, whether it's a paycheck, freelance income, or any other source of funds. Here's how to add income in YNAB. Access your budget. Log into your YNAB account and navigate to your budget dashboard. Select Add Transaction. In the budget dashboard, find the category where you want to add income. Click on the plus or Add Transaction button next to the category. Enter income details. A form will appear where you can enter the details of your income transaction. Input the date of the transaction, payee, and the amount of income received. Choose category. Select the appropriate category for the income. This could be a general income category or a specific category such as salary or freelance income. Save transaction. Once you've entered all the necessary details, save the transaction. YNAB will automatically update your budget, increasing the available funds in the selected category. Review and categorize. After adding the income transaction, review your budget to ensure the funds are allocated correctly. If necessary, adjust other categories to reflect your financial priorities.